Good evening, guys. It is Unwild RC19 here, and coming up on my channel very soon, we don't know when, will be an amazing Hot Wheels unboxing of this bad boy. You ready? It is the Aston Martin Vulcan. And there it is. Look at that. Isn't that just incredible, subscribers? I mean, I've seen Aston Martins in Hot Wheels, but never in doubt this. It's not bad, I must admit. The yellow, no, I'm sorry, the white actually goes with the red stripes they put on it. And it's representing Factory Fresh. But also, I did get this off eBay, this bad boy, along with a Tesla Model 3, which is just over there. So I don't know, I might do an unboxing on that, but this one's very special. So we hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please remember to leave a comment down below. Remember to hit the subscribe button to my channel today, and try and get this channel up to 110 subscribers if you can. So put your notification bells on so you don't miss all my other videos, including the unboxing of the Aston Martin Vulcan. And we'll see you for the unboxing very soon. So peace out from me.